Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 1025R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H120 quick attach front loader, as well as the AutoConnect 54D belly mower. The tractor only has 50 hours. It is in like new condition. Quick attach bucket. Has a hydrostatic transmission, power steering, four-wheel drive, tilt steering wheel, loader control right here beside the seat. It's got a nice suspension seat on it. 540 PTO and 3-point hitch. Top link. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.